Each one of these weights is about 70 pounds, I think. That I'll have 140 pounds on this bottom. And I'm going to line them up to the holes. I'll line up and so I can wire these together and secure it to the frame. Now I can use some wire and use these existing holes to secure it in place. So I've got a steel beam here with a disc brake on it for counterweight. And I just want to make it fairly neutral. And later I'm going to weld in a plate here onto the steel so I don't have to use these clamps. So now I've got a long arm I can put a camera on, and I can also adjust the height of this slightly if I want to. And I'm going to be getting rid of the, I'm going to be welding a receptacle here and not using the clamps. But for now I've got a pretty good, it's a stable base. I might want to put that weight on top, but I guess it does barely clear my head. And let's see how much I can pull on this. Yeah, I can put a lot of weight on that and it's not any danger of tipping the base. Awesome. So that's my camera boom. So this was my original prototype camera boom. I just clamped one of the stands onto this hydraulic table, and I could raise and lower it pretty easily with this. But I found I really didn't raise and lower it much. Usually I kept it at the right height that it would just clear my head. And so now it was a little tippy in certain situations. You can see you need one more clamp down there in the front. But the new one here, the second prototype here, it has 140 pounds on the base and it rolls around a lot easier. This one only had casters on 2 wheels, so you had to kind of steer it and it was a little awkward. This one you can push in any direction and it'll go in any direction you want it to. And the only thing I want to do next is weld the cap on there.